ITAC's mission is to work with local industry. We help them become more efficient at how they produce their products, and we strive to develop strong relationships with our clients.
The Virginia Manufacturers Association contacted ITAC about hosting a camp together.
We decided a few years back, with conversation with the local industry, that there's a missing gap for students that are in high school, 9th, 10th, 11th graders that need another course versus just traditional four-year college.
So the camp is 3 days, includes activities and field trips, and it all leads up to a competition that will take place on Saturday.
We're going through the entire manufacturing process, everything from what product do we have, how do we design it, how do we actually end up going out and marketing that product.
It gives the kids a real life experience of a project. So coming down to, your brand of your product, how are you going to sell it, how are you going to construct it.
They've learned everything from the LEDs and how to wire those up and make them work, all to the intricate mechanical pieces, how they all bolt together.
We're going to spend a lot of time just working on our clocks, which is the purpose of all these activities, for them to build these clocks and to present them on Saturday as a team.
Each team is tasked with building as many clocks as possible in an hour and a half's time. And at the end of that, each member of the winning team receives a $500 scholarship to the secondary education provider of their choice.
Where we look for was the manufacturers. We listened to them that they were looking to fill roles, for certification programs, with apprenticeship programs. And so ITAC went out on their own and decided we would invest in our own time and our own community to bring those kids here.
Obviously, we're not a manufacturing facility, but we see a shortage of field personnel in our construction trades for the electricians, the welders, and the pipe fitters.
We're preparing future potential employees for your company.
I think ITAC does a great job with each individual client to help them build what they're looking for.
You can see it in our manufacturing world that there's definitely a lack of people coming in to do those skilled jobs. And a lot of these kids that we've talked to in the last couple of days, that they didn't know. They didn't even know that was a good direction they could go in, and just how well off they could be if they went in that direction, how good it could be for them in the future.
I think any time is a good time to begin a career in manufacturing.
We want to show them that they can make a great career out of joining one of those trades programs.
That's pretty exciting when you can talk to a client and not just, what's your next project you're working on, but let me tell you how we're helping you to actually fill operational and maintenance needs that you're looking for today.